So I have this problem. I got all kinds of travel, but the axle shifts. So I built this thing, but when I have that hooked up, I don't have near the flex. I think the 4-link's gonna get redone after these events, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm Dakota. They call me slow motion. We're working on my rock crawler today. The focus now is wheel bearing. I got this new torque multiplier, because them lug nuts are a pain in the butt. Those gear ratios, 58-to-1, that should be enough that I think even a child can get them off. Let's see what you can do, Sissy. Way better, huh?
Yep.
Heck yeah, take her all the way off, Sissy. There you go.
It looks like it's about to come off.
It is.
Oh gosh.
There you go. These lug nuts have not been off in years.
Do it. Pull it.
Now, under no circumstances, Sissy, do we get under this while it's aired up or while it's jacked up with the tire off. Do not get under it. So, whenever you're ready, do not get under it. Always make sure you're in a position where you can get away. If somebody used some sticky adhesive, it might not come off real easy. Oh, Daddy did his research right. He'll have the right one. So, this is loose. That is not supposed to be loose like that at all. Not even like a little bit. So either these never did get torqued down, or these bearings are roached. There you go. You can throw this one away too.
I'm your assistant.
I've seen worse bearings, but we'll keep them for a spare set. But I'm sure glad I got new ones. This bearing is it's about the same. Get this race out so you can see this race come out the bottom. No, there's only 2 races, but we got all right-hand lug nuts, so we're gonna drive all these out. It's as simple as, all right, these are our new bearings. You can see the difference between the outer and the inner?
Yep.
A press is definitely the way to go, but what I do is I take the old race, put it on there, don't hit real hard, and just back and forth. It takes a while, but it's how I've done it for years. And she's seated. See it? Nice and pretty. All right. We got new parts. One of my favorite things right there. Got a real specific installation. Got to be very gentle and precise.
That's not
Next.
gentle.
Don't wipe your clothes with the grease, please. Good. Good, good, good. You want in on this? They make tools where you put these things in there and they pack the bearings for you. That costs money. This doesn't. It looks like it should taste good. Don't use your hub and your bearing to seat your seal. That's what I did, but it worked.
You're having too much fun with that.
Most guys don't put it in their hubs because it's not really necessary, but the way I look at it, the more grease I got in here, the less water. And I bought this whole big tub of grease. I gotta do something with it. What do you think, a little more? Now, on to my favorite part, Autumn. You know what that is? Putting grease on things. I could bathe in this stuff. I don't know the order that things are supposed to be in, but I can tell you this. It had spindle nut, seal, spindle nut, and I took it off. I suppose that's the way I'm gonna do it. Well, I found that I don't have anything that's 3/4 inch dry. But what I do have is a pipe wrench. That's the way we're putting it on. So they had keeper, then they had seal. I almost feel like that seal should go on before that nut. Doesn't that make more sense? It really does, don't it? That's what we're gonna do. This way, right? Makes the most sense. That looks right. Feels right, it looks right, it's probably wrong. Comment down below He was wrong. Anyway, hey, we got some new parts. The old one was not ideal. A little crunchy. Probably should have cleaned them threads out. Too late. There's a preload setting. I don't know what it is. If I'm replacing these in a week, I didn't do it right. And being that I'm a truck driver and not a mechanic, beautiful. Oh, what do they call that? CrossFit? All right, Bubba. All right, go get the last one, Bubby. Good job. All right, well, we got this side done. We're gonna wait to do the wheel bearings on that side. I forgot to order another outer wheel seal. So, hey, stop with the noise, please. Jeremy, just for a minute. Please. Jeremy, we're gonna wait. We're gonna do that next time. I gotta get to Colorado anyway. I got loads to haul. For now, I'm Dakota. They call me Slow Motion.